Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 5060E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 500M quick attach front end loader. Tractor has 5 or 10 hours. It's practically a new machine here. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, so again, practically a new machine. Again, does come with the 500M quick attach loader, has the global style hookup here for your bucket, for your bucket quick attach. Does have the front grill guard on it. R4 tires are practically new, same as the rest of the tractor. Has a rear hydraulic outlet back here, 540 and 540E PTO, has the extendable links and the 3-point arms. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Has the rear work light. And again, as you can see, the tractor is practically new. Has a 12-speed power reverser transmission, which allows the operator to change direction without clutching. Looks like the John Deere warranty runs into October of 2028. Very nice buy here, about as close to new of a tractor as we can find for you. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.